Are you ready to transform your health in just 7 days? Welcome to Transform Your Health with 7 Days of Keto. In this video, we'll explain the amazing benefits of a ketogenic lifestyle and how you can start your journey today. First things first, what is the keto diet? The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat eating plan designed to shift your body into a state of ketosis. This is when your body burns fat for fuel instead of carbs. When you limit carbohydrates, your body starts to rely on fat for energy, leading to a host of amazing benefits, including weight loss, increased energy levels, and improved mental clarity. Ready to dive in? Here's how you can get started with our 7-day keto challenge. Day 1, preparation. Clear out those carb-heavy foods from your pantry and replace them with keto-friendly options. Think avocados, nuts, leafy greens, and quality meats. Day 2, meal planning. Create a simple meal plan that incorporates a variety of healthy fats, proteins, and low-carb vegetables. Remember, variety is key to keeping it exciting. Day 3, hydration and electrolytes. As you transition to keto, it's crucial to stay hydrated and replenish your electrolytes. Drink plenty of water and consider adding salt, potassium, and magnesium to your meals. Day 4, embrace the fat. Yes, you heard that right. Healthy fats are your best friend on the keto diet. Incorporate sources like olive oil, coconut oil, butter, and fatty fish into your meals. Day 5, get creative. Try new recipes and experiment with keto-friendly versions of your favorite dishes. Keto pancakes, cauliflower rice, or zucchini noodles. There's so much to explore. Day 6, listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel. Many people experience the keto flu during the first week, but it's usually temporary. Rest, hydrate, and be kind to yourself. Day 7, celebrate your success. You've committed to a week of keto. Take some time to reflect on how you feel, both physically and mentally. You might find you have more energy, better sleep, and even weight loss. Remember, this is just the beginning of your journey. The keto lifestyle can be a sustainable way to achieve your health goals. So keep exploring and learning. Ready to transform your health? Click the link below for a free 7-day keto meal plan and more tips to help you succeed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who are ready for a change. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health transformation. See you next time.